CADCIM Technologies is proud to introduce the 23rd edition of Solid Edge 2026 with videos for designers. This book is co-authored by Professor Shamtiku of Purdue University, USA, and industry experts at CADCIM Technologies. The book is designed to make learning Solid Edge more practical, engaging, and effective. The edition is unique as it includes all tutorials in video format that makes the learning quite easy and interactive for users. These videos have been added for the faculty, students, engineers, and designers to easily understand modeling techniques and workflows. The book covers essential topics such as part and surface modeling, assemblies, drafting, sheet metal, and generative design, explained through clear illustrations and industry-based mechanical engineering examples. The book also provides other free resources such as access to part files, tutorial files, video tutorials, 4 free downloadable projects, and teaching resources for faculty. So what are you waiting for? Start learning Solid Edge with a visual, hands-on approach and order your copy from CADCIM Technologies website now.